Hey, quick question. Have you ever wondered why simply repeating something over and over doesn't always make you a pro? Maybe you've tried learning the piano, shooting basketball hoops, or even mastering a tricky dance move, but it just isn't clicking. Well, I've got some news that might change the way you practice, forever. Let's start with what's happening inside your brain every time you practice a skill. Picture this. Your brain is made of gray matter, which processes information, and white matter, which is full of nerve fibers and a fatty stuff called myelin. When you move, say, play a note on the guitar or swing a tennis racket, your brain sends signals down these fibers, wrapped in myelin, to your muscles. Myelin acts like insulation on electrical wires. The more you repeat a movement, the thicker this insulation gets, turning your brain's pathways into superhighways for information. That's why practice actually changes your brain. And no, muscle memory isn't in your muscles. It's in these supercharged myelinated pathways. But here's the kicker. It's not about how many hours you grind away. It's about how you practice. So let's talk about what really works. First, focus is your best friend. In fact, studies show students last only about 6 minutes before getting distracted, usually by their phones or laptops. So if you want your practice to stick, turn off those notifications, shut your door, and dive in distraction-free. Second, slow it down. I know it's tempting to go full speed, but starting slow helps you nail the right technique and coordination before you pick up the pace. It's like building a house. You want a solid foundation before adding the fancy stuff on top. Third tip, keep it short but come back often. The best performers, musicians, athletes, dancers, don't slog through endless hours in one go. They break it up into short, focused bursts, spread throughout the week. This way, your brain gets a chance to rest, recover, and actually remember what you're learning. And here's a secret weapon: mental practice. No joke, visualizing yourself doing the skill can be almost as powerful as the real thing. A study with basketball players showed that those who just imagined shooting free throws improved nearly as much as those who practiced with a ball. So next time you're waiting in line or chilling on the couch, close your eyes, picture the moves in detail, and you'll still be training your brain. Bottom line, effective, focused, and well-structured practice isn't just about grinding for hours. It's about practicing smart, pushing your limits, working on your weak spots, and giving your brain the right conditions to build those speedy superhighways. So, whatever you're trying to master, remember, you've got the power to level up, one focused session at a time. Now, go crush that next practice session.